and braided pipes. So let us welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Abhishek Dhiman from RD Engineering Works. It gives me a great pleasure to introduce RD Engineering Works, a trusted name in the field of plastic extrusion machinery. With years of experience, we specialize in manufacturing high-quality extruder plastic pipe plants that meet global standards. And then we are proud to say that
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek Dhiman. I request Mr. Ahmed to felicitate Mr. Abhishek and let us acknowledge this movement with a huge round of applause.